Welcome back to AMO GIS and Friends Hub. Right now, I'm going to be introducing the GIS coursework that we are going to be working on. Right, like I earlier said, we are going to be dishing out knowledge on this platform so that you get to learn and I get to know you, and I also get to learn from you. Right, so our GIS coursework for our let me just pull that up. Give me a moment. Our GIS coursework will be starting from the universal concepts, the words, the where, the how. So what I mean by the what, like what are we going to be talking about? Like what location, what special location are we going to be talking about? Where, where exactly, in what area, in what city, in what town, and then we are going to be branching into specific industrial applications. And if you want this to be a one-on-one section, it's going to be in 2 months or in 3 months, depending on how your time schedule is, and that is a paid class. But for me to be dishing it out carefully one by one, which might take a while, is going to be all of this. This is what is GIS, vector and raster, point, line, polygons. We're going to be talking about all of that. What coordinate system are we going to be using? We're going to be discussing about that. The interface we're going to be using is majorly ArcGIS Pro. I can make that available for you to download, and installation guide will be available for you as well. Phase 2, we are going to be talking about the data acquisition and integrity, where you can find where we are going to do data collection, cleaning of data, and the rest of it. Phase 3, we are going to be talking about the art of visualization, map creation, digitizing, georeferencing, name it. Phase 4, we are going to be going into practical this time around. After me showing you all of that and then doing a map, and then let's go into the act of creating a map. We're going to be talking about the multi-industrial spatial analysis, more to be added actually. Objectives, using GIS to solve real-world problem across different sectors, GIS in utility, GIS in business, GIS in environmental problems, GIS for medical and health, geographic, disease mapping, health accessibility, precision in agriculture, and food security. We're going to be talking about crop health monitoring, yield prediction, and the rest of that, so on and so forth, flood modeling, classes on advanced reporting and future proofing, right? So when I mean classes on advanced reporting and future proofing, like when you get a project and you're done with it, how do you report this project and how do you future proof that project that you've reported? This is what we are going to be making available on this platform for you. How will you benefit at the end of this class or at the end of whatever I'm going to be dishing out? You're going to be getting, at the end of the course of each student is to be equipped with the following knowledge: meteorological data, infrastructure maintenance, market analysis for GIS in business. Where are we going to be getting our data from? Open source, USGS, Explorer, others, Africa geoportals for medical GIS, data analysis called Copernicus, Copernicus for agriculture, NASA Earth data for flooding, Grade 3 for utilities, so on and so forth. And I hope whatever I'm going to be dishing out here for you will give you, I hope whatever I'm going to be dishing out here for you would give you all you need to move on in the GIS fair, right? All you need to move on in the GIS fair. If you need a one-on-one section with me, it's going to be a paid class. But for on this platform where you're going to be learning it little by little, you're going to be getting it as I drop it. As I drop it, I build my platform and you learn and you get your knowledge. Thank you very much. See you on my next one. Bye.